No, just for the sake of it, for the record.
No, first of all, I have to say this out in open. The kind of poison that is being spread, not just by the Congress, but by its supporters, possibly on this panel right now, is unprecedented. इतना जहर क्यों भरा हुआ है इनके दिलो दिमाग में? इतना जहर? I mean, you have Tuhin, you have Abhijit, you have me, and people in the digital panel below. Would anybody in their right mind support anything said derogatory against a widow of a person who actually is the one who's defending our country? कोई ये सोच भी कैसे सकता है कि ये चीज सपोर्ट की जाएगी जो 8 लोग इस पैनल पे हैं? दैट इट सेल्फ शोज, प्रणेश, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम बीइंग सीरियस आउट हियर बिकॉज दिस इज द टाइम फॉर फ्लिपेंट रिमार्क्स इज गॉन. इतना जहर इन लोगों में कहां से आया, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं. और जहां तक ये एयर चीफ मार्शल रवि श्रीवास्तव का कहना है कि अभी तक रफाल क्यों नहीं यूज किए गए, इनको पहुंचा दें क्या? इनको पहुंचा दें रफाल में बिठा के, इनको पहुंचा दें अब मिक्स में बिठा के, इनको पहुंचा दें तेजस अभी तक लॉन्च क्यों नहीं हुआ है? ही इज गोइंग टू डिसाइड व्हेन आवर आर्म फोर्सेस आर गोइंग टू एक्ट ऑन दिस. और सेकेंडली, एज आई से एंड एज यू हैव राइटली reiterated, this I possibly take back my words because for the last week 10 days I've been saying this has turned into a snakes and ladders game. The snakes are provided by Pakistan and the ladders by India. I think I have to revise it. Are there enough snakes provided by India as well? What is this Rai guy trying to prove? ये टॉय प्लेन लेके उसको नींबू लगा के क्या प्रूव करना चाह रहे हैं? दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट इंसल्ट ऑफ आवर आर्म फोर्सेस. इससे ज्यादा इंसल्ट क्या हो सकती है? एंड पाकिस्तानीज हैव टेकन दिस अप. और जहां तक नींबू का सवाल है, इनसे मैं बता दूं, रफाल और नो रफाल, जब इन पे बात आई थी कि इन द वेक ऑफ 26/11 व्हेन आवर एयर चीफ सेड टू द देन प्राइम मिनिस्टर वी शुड बॉम्ब द टेरर हाइडआउट्स इन पाकिस्तान, तब 4 नींबू निचोड़ने से दूध भी इतना नहीं फटता जिनकी इनकी हालत हुई थी. और आज ये नींबू दिखा रहे हैं. बट आई कम बैक टू दैट पॉइंट एंड आई प्लीड, आई बिसीच प्रणेश यू टू आंसर दिस. ये नीचे जो हैं लोग डिजिटल पैनल में, इतना जहर इनमें कहां से आया? किसने भरा? राहुल गांधी ने इतना जहर भरा? इतना हेट्रेड क्यों है इन लोगों को हिंदूज के बारे में, मुस्लिम्स के बारे में? जब देखो हिंदू मुस्लिम करते रहते हैं, जब देखो ये इंडिया को हेट करते हैं, आर्म फोर्सेस को. वेयर इज ऑल दिस पॉइजन कमिंग फ्रॉम?
No, let's get it out of our way. But Sanjay Jha, be ready to respond to that. But Abhijit, to what you've heard from Sanjay Jha and Ravi Srivastav, what do you say?
Look, whoever's trolling that lady, they're disgusting creatures. There's nothing you can do about it. They're disgusting people. I don't take responsibility for disgusting people. I don't think anybody here does. I certainly don't think Ravi Srivastava or Sanjay Jha take responsibility for this clown of their leader who's gone around and insulted all Rafale pilots, implying they're impotent planes or whatever. So, I mean, sure, if that is our responsibility, then this guy is also their responsibility. Number one. Number two, there is a problem with, Lashkar-e-Toiba fifth columns like Mr. Ravi Srivastava here, who, think that we have to retaliate. You just don't go into a battle like that. If you want to do things right, when did the genocide in Bangladesh start and how long did Mrs. Gandhi take to retaliate for it? It started in 1970 end and she went in finally in 1971 December. She took a whole year and she did the job properly. That is what you do. Understand, retaliation is illegal under international law. You create deterrence. You can't punish. You have to preempt. That is what international law in this says. Now, Balakot, feel free to make as much fun of it as you want. But it gave us a 6-year break between big attacks. So, there are these people who neither know the law, who neither know decency, who neither know anything, who are most probably paid agents of Lashkar-e-Toiba out here without knowing that it's probably routed through them through, I don't know, whatever, some Waqf property done, some Ghotala here or some rent seeking there. There's nothing I can do about people like that.
Sanjay Jha,